Welcome to Legit Internet Income. Here we show you real ways to make money online. No fluff and no scams. Let's get started. Turn app ideas into cash. A goldmine awaits. Want to make serious money online? Of course you do. Well, get ready for this. You can earn $200, $500, or even more per day selling app templates. The best part? You don't need to be a coding whiz. This is your chance to cash in on the booming mobile app market. Think about it. Millions of businesses need apps. But not everyone can code. That's where you come in. You can create pre-designed app templates that people can easily customize. It's like selling blueprints for a house, but for apps. Imagine someone wants to launch a fitness app. Instead of hiring expensive developers, they can buy your template and have it up and running in no time. Faster, easier, and way cheaper. You're providing a valuable service while lining your pockets. Ready to unlock this income stream? Let's dive in and explore how app templates can make you some serious cash. Decoding app templates, your shortcut to success. Okay, so what exactly are app templates? Imagine a pre-built app structure ready to go. It's like a cake mix. You get all the essential ingredients and you just add your own flavor. App templates come with the basic design, layout, and features already coded in. This saves buyers tons of time and money. They don't need to start from scratch. There are templates for every niche imaginable. Think restaurant apps, e-commerce stores, fitness trackers, and more. You name it, there's a template for it. Where do you sell these golden templates? Online marketplaces like CodeCanyon, Sell My App, and Flippa are your best bet. These platforms connect you with a massive audience of eager buyers. Now that you know what app templates are and where to sell them, let's talk about the money you can make. The earning potential from side hustle to serious income. Let's get down to the good stuff. How much can you actually earn selling app templates? Get ready to be amazed. Basic app templates with simple features can fetch you $50 to $150 a pop. Advanced templates with more complex functionalities can easily sell for $200 to $500 each. And if you create exclusive high-end templates, you can charge even more. Think about it. If you sell just one $200 template per day, you're looking at $6,000 per month. Sell two, and you've doubled your income. The sky's the limit. The best part? Once you create and list your templates, they can generate passive income for months or even years to come. Talk about a sweet deal. Section 4. Your step-by-step guide to app template domination. Ready to get started? Here's your roadmap to app template success. Step 1. Learn the basics of app design. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding genius. Familiarize yourself with basic app design principles, user interface, and user experience. There are tons of free resources and online courses available. Step 2. Find your profitable niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve with an app? Choose a niche that excites you and has high demand. Step 3. Create killer templates. Use app development platforms like Flutter, React Native, or Ionic to build your templates. Focus on creating user-friendly, visually appealing, and functional designs. Step 4. List your templates. Choose a reputable marketplace like CodeCanyon or Sell My App, and create compelling listings with clear descriptions, screenshots, and demos. Step 5. Promote like a pro. Spread the word about your templates through social media, online forums, and paid advertising. Offer discounts and promotions to attract buyers. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving app template business. Section 5. From template to top seller, marketing magic. Creating awesome templates is just the first step. To make it rain, you need to master the art of marketing. 1. Craft compelling descriptions. Use keywords that buyers are searching for. Highlight the benefits and features of your templates. 2. Showcase stunning visuals. High-quality screenshots and demo videos are crucial for attracting buyers. Let them see your templates in action. 3. Offer stellar support. Respond to inquiries promptly and provide excellent customer service. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your templates to others. 4. Leverage social media. Promote your templates on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Engage with potential customers and build a following. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. Continuously test different strategies and refine your approach to maximize your sales and income. So there you have it, your roadmap to earning $500 or more per day selling app templates. Now it's time to take action and turn your dreams of financial freedom into a reality. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making money online.